and the attributes associated with this part of the hack model. The first attribute of highly structured is teacher directed, which is basically the who, what, how, and where of teaching, giving the students clear instructions on who is doing what you are expected to learn, how you are going to learn, and where you're going to learn. Another part of this is before doing this, you have to expose the students to the platform you will be using. You can't just jump into a lesson and expect students to know what you're doing. And by exposing the students before you are teaching the lesson, you're giving them the ability to direct their own learning and to work independently. 3 management areas I thought of are organizing students into small groups and having 1 or 2 students assigned to get the technology and then put it back. Another idea was to tell the students heads up when they need to look up at the front of the classroom and learn. I unfortunately have not thought of a third area right now. The third attribute is replacement activities, which is having students transfer what they have learned in, regular style with pencil and paper into a platform such as Canva, PowerPoint, and other learning platforms that help the students to further grasp their knowledge. This is to help students independently the platform to showcase that they have learned. Better allow students to demonstrate what they have learned and that they have actually learned to use both the platform, device, and the content. The fifth attribute is low rigor, and this is students needing to know what they are doing before they are able to adequately transfer their learning into that learning platform. So this is just, if you're first learning a new platform, it should be a lower priority than the content. And once the students become proficient in the platform, then you can raise the rigor and allow the students to showcase what they know. Exposing students to platforms multiple times allows them to gain an understanding of the platform, and their capacity to use the platform grows to the point where they can demonstrate their learning on the platform independently. However, just because a student has been exposed to a learning platform does not mean they are able to use it in a capacity that is independent, and they might just need a little bit more time or maybe a different platform. I would also like to look more into exposing students to platforms in a way that would better benefit them as independent learners, because back in the olden days when I was in high school, I never fully learned how to use the Google Suite, and I still can't. And I believe if I'd been exposed to it a bit more, I would be more proficient in using that platform.